Wolves versus Liverpool. This has been recorded before Wolves' game against Liverpool, but I don't think that result affects this game. I do think Wolves are a better side at home. They're not the most exciting side, but they're compact and they have improved under their new manager. As I've said in previous videos, they're facing an inconsistent Tottenham side who are on the better run of form at the moment, but they are prone to come undone, especially away from home this season. I can see KG and nervous affair. I think Tottenham will obviously be strong favourites and be on the front foot, looking to score the goal. And I think Wolves will be happy with a draw. And do you know what? I think it will end a draw. I think this game's going to finish 1-1.